Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to block friend requests on the Brawl Stars application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen and you can find different buttons. New, just click to the three line at the upper right corner of the home screen, and here click to the settings icon. Here you can find the social settings under the haptic feedback, and here you can find the second option under the team invites option, the block friend request. Actually I don't use this function, but if you want to turn on, just click the on button and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.